is going on, guys? Colin with Victory. Check out this 2021 Chevy Blazer we just got in. I think this one's a 2LT, so pretty nice there. Want to say it's front wheel drive as well, but I could be wrong. Now, great news about this one. 21, 60,000 miles. As far as any goodies in there, we do have cloth interior, tons of space in the back, as y'all can see. Plenty of room for activities back in here, plenty of room for storage, anything that we may need. And as well, we do have those side cubbies. Also, full-size spare in there. I did see that as well. No power liftgate, but that's no big deal. We don't really need that. Now, climbing around is white in color. Does have that nice proximity key that everybody does enjoy. Climbing inside, of course, full cloth interior in this guy. I do like the little pattern they got in there too. As far as size-wise in the back goes, and then you got a reasonable amount of space, and then you got some backseat charging access as well, with a Type-C USB and a regular USB as well. Now, climbing up front, still keep that proximity key on the front doors as well. You do have manual passenger seat. That's no big deal on this guy. Keep that same stitching, same seat pattern all the way up. Heck yeah, I like that. Full console as well. That's pretty nice. And looking at our door panel here, I mean, just looks like a pretty classic Chevy door panel to me, you know. But I'm not a rocket scientist when it comes to these Chevys. I know that this one, as far as, you know, reliability goes, you should be just fine. We ran it through the shop. Everything is good. Has been completed. Now let's climb on in, check the mileage so y'all can see for yourself. Let's go over some of the goodies as far as the driver compartment goes. Of course, power locks, power windows all the way around, and we do pick up the power driver seat as well, which is nice. I'm climbing in. Hi-ya! Turn this air down for a second real quick. Now, pretty cool looking as far as the interior goes. I mean, it looks like most Chevys nowadays. Now, over here on the left hand side, you have all your light adjustment that'll pop out for you. That way you can go ahead and turn your lights up and down. And of course, your interior, your exterior light settings there. Your parking brake. Now, looking at our steering wheel, cruise control right there. Forward collision warning. Hey, that's a great safety feature for the family. You can adjust your setting right up in your input, your cluster there, as to how far you want that to start picking up. Now, on the right hand side, you do have your adjustment as far as your in-dash cluster display there, and your nice little rolly ball there. Voice recognition software and call. Now, over here next to your start button, you do have the A with the circle. I like how Chevy now finally lets you turn that on and turn the auto stop off. I like that. Full touchscreen radio display there. I like that. As far as Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the goodies there. You do have a nice glove box button too, which does open your power glove box, which is pretty cool. I like that. As far as your AC adjustment, you can do it up here in the radio screen should you choose, but you can do it right down here. Much like on the Camaros, guys, you can adjust your heat and sensitivity. You got your nice little screen right up there to the left, and then you can kind of dial it in. Of course, if you want your fan speed up or down, right there in the center. And then, of course, your front and rear defrost. And then for CarPlay, plug and play right there. A USB and a USB-C. Now down in there, I do have the keys. A nice little storage cubby where you can set your phone while you're running your CarPlay. That brings us into our automatic gear lever there for a transmission. A couple of different driving modes. And lane keep assist as well, because we can't forget about that. You can turn that on and off. Now looking at our center console, pretty decent amount of space. Looks like we got a 12 volt down in there too. And heck yeah, but guys, available up here at Victory Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Kansas City, Kansas. My name is Colin. I'd love to show you this one in person. Let you go for a little quick test drive. Shoot me a text or call 660-492-5030.